Now, Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Taking a look at your forecast for today on this Tuesday. Mostly sunny skies. There's just going to be a few high clouds, but still lots of sunshine on tap for your Tuesday. Up to 75 degrees in Medford. We'll top out around 67 in Klamath Falls, 72 degrees in Wairika, and still getting up to about 71 degrees in Brookings. It won't be as warm as yesterday, but definitely inland areas seeing a nice warm up, above average high temperatures this afternoon. We do have a high surf advisory that'll go into effect today at 2 p.m. going until 5 a.m. Wednesday. Large waves up to 24 feet possible, so some hazardous beach conditions if you're enjoying some of that sunshine this afternoon along the coast. Today in the Rogue Valley, chilly this morning, that's for sure, but this afternoon will be warmer as we'll climb into the 70s. Sunset tonight at 6:19 p.m. And then the next few days in the Rogue Valley, some really nice weather to get outdoors. Temperatures climbing up into the 70s, pretty comfortable for this time of the year. Mornings will be chilly, but the afternoons awfully pleasant. A mix of sun and clouds on Wednesday and Thursday. We'll also see that up at Crater Lake. Notice temperatures cooling back a bit towards Thursday, but some big changes are on the way as we head towards your Friday. Here's how Stormcast pans out. Mostly sunny conditions, just a few high clouds out there today. You will notice an increase in clouds for Wednesday and Thursday, just kind of a mix of sun and clouds for southern Oregon and northern California, but we do stay dry. That will change as we head into Friday. This is the storm system that's going to bring about quite a change as we wrap up the week. We should see widespread rainfall on Friday. Winds will be gusty with this system, and then we have more storm systems to watch as we head into the weekend. It's going to be a pretty active stretch and also some pretty beneficial precipitation looking to be on the way. Heaviest and highest rainfall totals will be towards the coast and coastal mountains. When it comes to snowfall, we do expect snow levels to lower. They're going to stay pretty high on Friday, but they will start to lower as we head into Saturday, likely reaching our Cascade Passes by later Saturday, and then eventually maybe getting down to about 4,500 feet or so as we head into Sunday morning. But we'll be fine-tuning details when it comes to rainfall amounts, snowfall amounts, timing of this system, as well as the potential travel impacts. It does look pretty active, though. That we do know. It is going to be an active stretch of weather as we go through the weekend, and it is going to be cooling down. Highs in the 50s in the Rogue Valley this weekend. The coast, rain arrives on Friday, heavy rain at that. Some more heavy rain looking likely on Saturday. Winds will be rather gusty as well with these storm systems. Northern California staying dry through the middle of the week. Wet weather returns on Friday. The Klamath Basin, winds will be a factor Friday and Saturday. It's looking pretty gusty. And then notice those chillier temperatures this weekend, highs only in the 40s. For the mountains, rain and snow, lowering snow levels though, especially as we move into the weekend. There will likely be some snow and winter weather impacts on our higher passes in the region. And then in the Rogue Valley, enjoy the warmer weather the next few days because it's going to trend cooler and wetter into the weekend.